This video is part of Swift, the complete programming course. It teaches you advanced programming skills, highly desired in the IT industry. No previous programming experience is required. So in this example, I have recreated that example that I've used when I explained string interpolation. I have two variables that I use inside that string. I add those two variables together and show the result here. And then I print the string, and here it is. Now let's change it to be a raw string. So I put a pound sign at the beginning and one at the end. And it doesn't work anymore. If I look here, everything is a string now. So this whole thing is a string, not using string interpolation anymore. To fix it, we need to put a pound sign after the backslash. So put a pound sign here, one here, and one here. And now we have a raw string that uses string interpolation. Now let's say I want to have this result. When I print it, I want to have this surrounded with double quotes as part of the result. So I want a double quote at the beginning and a double quote at the end as part of that string. So here starts the string and here ends the string. So here where it starts, I put a double quote in front of it. And then here where it ends, I put a double quote at the end of the string. And it works. Now it prints with double quotes at the beginning and at the end. Now let's say for whatever reason, I want to have a double quote and a pound sign at the beginning and at the end of the string. So I put a pound sign in here. And I put a pound sign in here. And we get an error. We already know why we get an error. It is because this part of the string matches the end of the raw string. And we already know how to fix it by adding another pound sign to the beginning and to the end of the string. So I add another pound sign here and another one here. Well, it works that double quote and pound is part of the string, but string interpolation doesn't work anymore. To fix it, the number of pound signs after the backslash needs to match the number of pound signs used to create a raw string. Since we are using two pound signs to create a raw string, I have to use two pound signs after the backslash. So I add another one here, and another one here. And now it works again. So I have a pound sign and a backslash as part of a string, and it uses string interpolation. So let me copy this and I paste it in here, and then I comment it out. So I leave it for you as an example, and then I remove all of this. And here's a raw string that uses just one pound sign, and it uses string interpolation. And then here's an example if we would use two pound signs to create a raw string. So these are a couple of examples how we use a raw string and string interpolation. Interested in becoming an advanced Swift programmer? Check out the description below. If you like this video and you want to see more in the future, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.